Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Sachs Associates 6th Annual European Life Science CEO Forum 2013 right here in Zurich, Switzerland. I have Dr. Einat Zisman of Hadasit, a private company from Israel. Welcome back to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley, for inviting me back to do another interview with you.
It's good to have you. I'd like to give those who are not familiar with Hadasit an overview from you of what Hadasit does.
Hadasit is the commercial arm of Hadassah University Hospitals in Israel. We were established 26 years ago, and since then we have been able to create 36 startups. We have 6 products in the market and 28 additional products under development by our licensees and collaborators. And we are looking, while coming to these conferences, to additional partners, licensees, as well as investors.
Well, everybody talks about technology development from Israel. So I guess you're one of the reasons why they talk about all of that development.
Hadasit has a wonderful opportunity because we are based on the excellent innovation and the breakthrough science that is done at the Hadassah University Hospitals. And we basically enjoy this tremendous and continuous flow of ideas, innovations, and research. And we are responsible for packaging it into commercially reasonable products.
So you do the transfer work, is that it?
That's correct. We do the transfer work, we look for partners, we look for the money. We help the scientists in directing their research towards a more applicative route. We make sure that issues like market, end users, regulatory, reimbursement issues are all being thought of as early as possible in the development process.
So you bring the business to the science, and the science in turn becomes a business. Am I correct?
Exactly. This is a better description than I had.
So how's been the last year or two? Bring us up to date.
Yeah, actually I've been working as the CEO of Hadasit in the last 3.5 years, and these were very successful years. We signed during this period more than 1,000 agreements. That's a huge number, I know. This is because as part of our reach to the research to the industry community, we also provide services doing clinical studies, preclinical work, consulting. So we are actually very much involved in the Israeli and the global biotech industry in supporting them. So compared to 2009, we doubled the number of agreements that we signed in 2012.
Congratulations.
Thank you. We had 49 licensing and collaboration agreements in this period. So we are very active, and we hope to be able to continue.
Now, I just want to make clearly what you have in your bailiwick, so to speak. It's more than just biotech. It's also medtech and other life sciences, right? I mean, there's equipment, there's devices, there's delivery systems.
Exactly. And we are actually focusing on medical devices. And I have a new initiative to develop an accelerator for medical devices. To make this happen, we already started collaboration with specific incubators in Israel, such as the Rad Biomed incubator, but also with groups in the States. We have a collaboration with the Children's Hospital in Akron, Ohio, where they have their own group, their own facility for developing medical devices, and we're working with them in order to be closer to the market and also to gain their expertise in the engineering capabilities in order to bring technologies forward. And based on that, we are looking to raise additional money to have this concept even in a more thorough way to support additional medical device technologies and medical device ideas coming from Hadassah.
Now, you were on a panel at this conference, correct? Tell me a little bit about the panel.
So the panel is specific for Israel. The panel spoke about various aspects of the biotech and biomed industry in Israel. Everything from technology transfer to presentation of new companies through ideas of a VC. The Pontifex VC was also here. And we basically described various aspects of innovation and how you mature or direct innovation into products in Israel. And it is quite unique for this conference because this conference is very much focused on the European community. And I think that the European biotech community and biomed community don't know enough about Israel, about the potential, about the ability to work together. So this is why we're here.
Well, I think that you will lend a lot of expertise to the guidance in the industry as well. I just want you to know that.
Thank you. I really appreciate that because the advantage that we have in Hadasit is that we are both the initiators of the technology but also the end users because of the hospital. So we gain a lot of credibility from the fact that our technologies were already thought of by the clinicians.
Okay, now's the tough question. Give out your website.
So our website is www.hadasit.co.il.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Einat Zisman of Hadasit from Israel. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at Sachs Associates 6th Annual European Life Sciences CEO Forum 2013 right here in Zurich, Switzerland. Good to have you. Great to see you. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
You're quite welcome.